What is up, my beauties? We're back in with another video, and we're back in with another video.
You're just testing a different
and
fucking.
We're back in with another video, and we're back in with another video.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3.
What is up, bountiful beauties? We're back into another look. So we're getting into the smoky green eye. I'm using my NYX white base, and I'm popping that onto my lid so you guys know that these pigments can pop and look very vibrant and beautiful, okay?
Past losses, I had to get back.
And we're also going to the 35M Boss Nude palette by Morphe, and we're going in with green with envy, and then we're gonna pop that into our crease so we can get this in-depth, you know, little smoky eye, green eye today, okay?
2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action.
And also, you guys, I am using a patting motion so that pigment can go into my crease, and then also blending it in as well. And then I'm going into Express Yourself, this little lighter shade of green, and then we're putting that right on top of where we just put the darker green, and we're blending those two colors together.
Did it like the Porsche's coming in, yeah, flex.
And I'm going also into a lighter shade of green. We're going into Stroke of Luck, and then we're popping that on top of Express Yourself, and we're blending in all three of those shades so we can get this little beautiful green smoky eye going for you guys, okay?
Running with, yeah.
And I'm just blending that into my best ability. And if you guys do have green eyes, this would be the perfect look for you guys, because this would literally make your guys' eyes just light up any room. Literally, if you guys have green eyes, if you guys have hazel eyes, this is the perfect eye look for you. And then I'm going back in with that darker shade of green, and then I'm just blending that in as well with the rest of my colors, so everything can pop and, you know, get blended well together and everything like that. And I did get a little, you know, shimmery in there because I do go into a little bit of glitter, you guys. But, you know, some glitter got in, but that's okay. It still is a beautiful green eye look today.
I want love you don't know.
And now I'm taking that white base by NYX, and I am cutting my crease, and I'm also popping it on. So, you know, just doing the basic cut crease halfway, about halfway to the middle of my eye. And we're just trying to do it to our best of our ability, get that crease, you know, precision on point. And then you guys can kind of see I'm brushing it out at the end, so it kind of, you know, blends in a little together.
My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put.
And you guys, like I say, everything takes time. Cutting the crease takes time. So if you guys keep practicing, you know, keep cutting that crease, you guys will get that perfect, you know, precision every time you cut your crease, and it'll be easier every time you do it. And then I'm going in with that darker green shade, and I'm popping that into the edge corner of my eye. And we're kind of creating these little, this kind of gradient effect. And we're just popping that on the edge and blending that together with where we blended into our crease. And then also I am patting this in as well, you guys, and also blending it in so these colors can pop. And now I'm going into just like how we did the crease and we layered those three colors. We're doing the same exact thing on the crease, or on this cut crease that we did. And I'm taking that lighter shade Express Yourself, and I'm putting that next to that darker shade of green, and trying to blend it in close together to my best ability. And now I'm taking that, I think it was Stroke of Luck, and I'm taking that and I'm blending that in as well with that Express Yourself. And also, if you guys are wondering, these brushes are the brushes that I got in my e.l.f. brush collection that came with about, like, I think it was like 17-18 brushes or something like that for 50 bucks, and it was a good snag, and I'm loving all these brushes that I got. And that's what it's looking like after I blended all three of those colors together, and I'm trying to blend it in all together with where we cut the crease as well. And I'm going into the shimmery green shade. It's called Bold Moves. And we're going to apply that closer on where we cut the crease on the inner lid. And I'm kind of taking like an angled liner brush, you guys, because I wanted to get more precise and I didn't want it to go into what I did with my crease and the colors that I did. So I'm going in with that angled liner brush, and I'm slowly but surely filling it in with that shimmery green shade. And then I'm also going into my Warrior glitter shadow by Flower Beauty, because I didn't think it had that much glitter going for this look, so I wanted to give it a little more extra pop. If you guys do have like a green glitter shadow, this would be perfect to go with this look, but I didn't, so I just used this Glitter Bomb eyeshadow or glitter shadow, and it really made it, you know, pop a little bit more and look more beautiful for this look and give it a little, you know, spotlight and little glitter, you know, to this look. And then I'm putting that white base below under my eye as well. I tried something different with this look, because usually I do my bottom lower lash line of the shadows at the last points, but I just figured I'd do it all together this time and see how it comes out, and it came out pretty good. And we're taking those same three shades, you guys. This is actually a really basic, simple, you know, elegant look that you guys could wear going out, going anywhere. Like, it's really a simple look, and just about 3 shades you use for all of this. I'm blending these two foundations together to get my not perfect shade, but close to my shade, because one was a little too dark and one's a little too light, so I just blended them together so we can get, you know, close to my foundation shade. And we're using the Beauty Blender to blend this all together on my face. You guys, I really did like this Beauty Blender. It really does blend in your foundation very well, and it works very good, so I would highly recommend for you guys to get a Beauty Blender. They're awesome. And you guys know I gotta go in with my Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio. This is like my favorite concealer. Now we're gonna highlight, you know, all those highlighted parts where you put that concealer. And I'm just using another e.l.f. brush as well from, this is the concealer brush. I really did like it. It does get things very precise in how you want it to be.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free.
And I also am taking my Beauty Blender, you guys. You know, the concealer brush does get it, you know, precise, but I really do think that Beauty Blender blends everything together with my foundation and the concealer. So after I use the concealer brush, I'm going in with my Beauty Blender, and I'm blending all this together with my foundation and my concealer, so it doesn't look so one shade to another, and it just looks beautifully blended. And this is getting very old, the label's wearing off, but that's the Luxury Banana Baking Powder. And I'm just taking that, you know, I don't really bake it really on my face. I just, you know, be brushing it off. But once it gets in contact, you know, it gets mattified and looks more simple and pure, and those pores diminish. And also, you guys, comment down below if you guys are still watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below what you guys' favorite setting powder is. And I'm also going into this Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. You guys, to be honest, I'm gonna spill the tea right now. I really did not like this highlighting palette at all. It's like the top shade is literally like just the highlight and that's it. Once you get more into the highlight, it's just like very powdery. I really didn't like this. It really didn't really give me a glow that much at all. That's why you guys see me making a face like that. This glow is like, I want to glow to the gods, girl. This is not going to give me a glow to the gods. Like, I want way more glow than that. So I'm about to go in with the Makeup Revolution Luster Gold. This one from Makeup Revolution is definitely a hit. I love this highlighting liquid. It is the best. I would highly recommend it, and it's affordable as well. And it gets the job done. Now you guys see that highlight compared to the other highlight is super good. And I'm just basically putting in all my highlighted parts, you know, the upper of my little jawline, not jawline, but you know, the highlights of my cheeks and everything. That glow is definitely way better than what I was gonna get with the other Makeup Revolution shadow palette. And I also popped on some red lips. I think it went beautifully with this green look today. This is Lorac, and it's oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot the name, but we're going in with our dewy finish. I will list it in the comments below for you guys though for this lip shade. And I'm setting with that dewy spray. And you guys, this is the completed look for you beauties here today, okay? I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are enjoying this. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Love you beauties. Bye.
Makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face.